Launch brand promotion using engaging brandable minigames and apps that follows your campaign strategy or event promotion. Capitalize on your target audience familiarity of using mobile devices and apps. These branded campaigns can be launched online or as installed apps on their devices or projected to a widescreen display during event promotion and brand activation. Features and benefits. It's brandable. Almost all game elements can be customized to conform with your brand's campaign or event's promotion. From colors, characters, music, sound effects, mechanics, and scoring. Promote engagement. Our games are made to drive customer traffic, sign-ups, user experience, and promote brand engagement, resulting in higher retention percentage and positive results. Multi-platform coverage. Deliver your campaign via multiple channels that your target audience are using. Large screen display for on-site activation. Via web browser on your website or social media. As installed apps on mobile phones and tablets. Analytics and reporting. Know how your game is performing and track your target audience so you can evaluate your campaign and plan the next marketing strategy. Leaderboards, rewards, and social add-ons. Integrate leaderboards to track top performers, define your rewards rule, and add social media functionalities like status and game achievements updates. Conversions and ROI. By using branded mobile games, you can expect more conversions and better return on investment. Start using minigames and apps today and capture more customers. Contact our team for consultation and pricing.